In a world filled with opinions, expectations, and judgments, being doubted can feel like a heavy burden. Whether it's a teacher who says you'll never succeed, a peer who belittles your dreams, or a society that stereotypes your potential, the sting of skepticism can either break you or build you. The choice is yours. The phrase "prove them wrong" isn't just a defiant comeback, it's a powerful call to action. It's a mindset that transforms criticism into motivation and adversity into achievement. This phrase resonates because doubt, especially when it comes from others, taps into our deepest fears and insecurities. It challenges our identity, our dreams, and our sense of worth. But it also activates a psychological response that can fuel determination. According to psychologist Edward Deci, intrinsic motivation is driven by a need for competence, autonomy, and relatedness. When someone doubts us, it threatens our competence, which in turn can push us to restore our self-esteem through action and achievement. This phenomenon, often referred to as reactance theory, suggests that when people feel their freedom to choose or succeed is threatened, they become motivated to assert their autonomy. In other words, when someone says you can't, it triggers a powerful desire to say, "Watch me." History is replete with examples of individuals who turned rejection and doubt into milestones of success. Oprah Winfrey was told she was unfit for television news before becoming one of the most influential media moguls in the world. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team, only to become arguably the greatest basketball player of all time. J.K. Rowling received multiple rejections from publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Steve Jobs was fired from the company he founded, only to return and revolutionize the tech industry. These stories aren't just inspirational anecdotes. They are blueprints of resilience, focus, and unyielding belief in one's potential. The phrase "prove them wrong" hits home because almost everyone has faced doubt. From childhood, we're subject to evaluations, grades, tests, comparisons, and over time, these can either build us up or tear us down. Social media, with its constant stream of curated perfection, often exacerbates feelings of inadequacy. In such an environment, a message that says, "You are more than their opinion," becomes incredibly empowering. It offers a way to reclaim narrative control and redefine success on one's own terms. It appeals to our sense of justice and our desire to be seen, heard, and valued. Recognizing when and where the doubt is coming from is essential. Is it an external voice or an internal fear disguised as someone else's opinion? Understanding its source helps in addressing it constructively. Instead of seeing doubt as a stop sign, treat it as a challenge. Reframing criticism as feedback or motivation can shift your mindset from defeat to determination. But defiance alone is not a strategy. Channel your energy into actionable steps. Set SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, that move you closer to proving your critics wrong. While some people may doubt you, others will believe in you. Surround yourself with mentors, friends, and communities that reinforce your vision and validate your efforts. Every step forward is a win. Recognizing small victories builds confidence and keeps momentum alive. Perhaps the most critical component in proving others wrong is believing in yourself. This doesn't mean blind optimism, but rather a realistic confidence grounded in preparation, effort, and self-awareness. Self-belief acts as a buffer against external negativity and internal doubt. When you believe in your capacity to improve and persevere, failure becomes feedback, not finality. This growth mindset, a concept popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck, is key to turning adversity into achievement. Overcoming obstacles along this journey is part of the process. Fear of failure is one of the most common deterrents, but failure should be redefined as a stepping stone. Each setback is a lesson that refines your approach and builds resilience. Imposter syndrome is another hurdle. Remind yourself that everyone, even the most successful people, have moments of self-doubt. Keeping a wins journal to document and revisit your achievements can help reinforce your progress. Learn to differentiate between constructive criticism and baseless negativity. Focus on what aligns with your values and goals. Motivation is like a muscle. It needs regular reinforcement. Spend a few minutes daily imagining your end goal. Visualization helps reinforce purpose and clarity. Maintain a journal or digital log of your progress. Seeing how far you've come can reignite motivation. Consume content, books, podcasts, videos that aligns with your goals and keeps your fire burning. Share your journey to inspire others. Teaching or mentoring not only helps others, but also strengthens your own commitment. Eventually, the need to prove others wrong evolves into something deeper, proving yourself right. The external doubters fade into the background, and what remains is an internal dialogue driven by purpose, passion, and personal growth. Success, in this light, becomes not just a rebuttal to skepticism, but a manifestation of self-belief. It's not about revenge or validation, but about living your truth unapologetically and powerfully. The phrase, "prove them wrong," encapsulates a journey of transformation. It begins with the sting of doubt, matures into focused effort, and culminates in self-actualization. It's a battle cry for dreamers, a mantra for underdogs, and a beacon for anyone who's ever been underestimated. So, the next time someone tells you that you can't, remember this: their words are not your limits. Let their doubt be your drive. Let your story be the proof that they were wrong, and that you were always enough.